Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create forums in eClass. Forums are powerful tools for building community, encouraging discussion, and supporting learning outside of the classroom. We'll cover how to set one up, explore different forum types, and share best practices for making your forums effective. To begin, ensure that edit mode is turned on. From within your course page, select Add an Activity or Resource. From the Activities list, select Forum. When setting up a forum, clarity is key. A well-chosen name and description helps students immediately understand the forum's purpose and how they should participate. When giving your forum a name, avoid vague titles such as Discussion Forum. Instead, tie the name to the specific activity or week. This makes it easy for learners to locate and revisit the forum later. Next, you'll want to write a purposeful prompt in the description. A clear, well-crafted prompt directs participants towards specific themes or questions and prevents vague or off-topic responses by setting boundaries for the discussion. Take this prompt as an example. It narrows the focus by providing a challenge, it requires analysis, and it invites personal connection for students to draw on in their response. Next, you'll want to set clear participation expectations. Best practice is to outline guidelines that reduce ambiguity and promote quality contributions. This would typically include expectations around length or the format of the response and any reply requirements. Here you have the option to display this description on the course page. The description, or in this case the prompt and participation expectations, would be nested under the link to the forum on your course page. eClass offers 5 forum types. The standard forum for general use is the most common type of forum. It is best for ongoing discussions where anyone can start an original post and will usually meet the needs of any basic discussion forum. However, you may have specific instructional goals for the assignment that would be best met using another forum type. Please see our Overview of Forum Types video, which provides a more thorough description and demonstration of all forum types. Under Availability, you can set a due date to display when the post is due. Posts made after the due date will be indicated to the instructor in the grading module. If you wish, you can enable a cutoff date to prevent any post after a certain date and time. If your discussion prompts require students to attach files, you can set a maximum number of files they can attach here. If your discussion requires a certain length or word count, you can enable a word count to be visible for them. Under Subscription and Tracking, you can control whether students are automatically subscribed to forums. Subscriptions ensure students receive email notifications of new posts. Tracking options let students see which posts are read, helping them to stay engaged. Whole forum grading is a user-friendly way of grading forum posts made by your students. It allows you to assess all of your students' contributions, both original posts and any peer replies, in one single grading interface. Choose a grading type, points or scale, and set a criteria for evaluation. For example, when choosing points, you can set a maximum grade value for the activity, the preferred grading method, and a grade category that the activity should be organized in within the gradebook. Please see our separate videos on whole forum grading as well as grading forums with rubrics for a full demonstration of these options. If you're using activity completion settings in your course, the completion conditions can be set for a forum to match the specific parameters of your discussion expectations. For example, if you want students to both start a discussion and post a certain amount of replies, you can enable that here. If you'd like for eClass to remind students to work on this activity, you can set a reminder for their timeline here as well. Once you've configured your settings, click Save and Return to Course. Your forum will be live and ready for student participation.